Welcome to your guide on making money online in 2025. We'll explore 10 proven strategies to boost your income. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, offering more opportunities than ever before to earn a living from anywhere. First, consider freelancing in high-demand skills like web development, graphic design, or content writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great starting points. Next, dive into e-commerce with niche products. Identify a specific market, create unique offerings, and sell through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Third, become a content creator. Whether it's blogging, vlogging on YouTube, or podcasting, consistently create valuable content and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or direct sales. Strategy 4 involves creating and selling online courses or digital products. Share your expertise and earn passive income by teaching others. Fifth, explore affiliate marketing in growing niches. Promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Social media management for businesses is strategy number 6. Many companies need help with their online presence. Offer your services to manage their social platforms. 7th, consider offering virtual assistant services. Businesses and individuals are always looking for help with administrative tasks, scheduling, and email management. Strategy 8 is drop shipping or print on demand. Start an online store without holding inventory, only paying for products when a customer makes a purchase. Next, become an online tutor or coach. Share your knowledge in academic subjects, personal development, or professional skills through virtual sessions. Finally, explore investing in digital assets like cryptocurrency and NFTs. While volatile, these markets can offer significant returns for those who understand the risks and trends. These strategies offer diverse paths to making money online in 2025. Choose what aligns with your skills and interests and start building your online income today.